Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Let's take a look, Reclaim AI versus Motion, which one is better and why. Now as you can see, this is Motion. It's basically a calendar tool, and this is also Reclaim AI. It's also a calendar tool. Now right from the get-go, we can see that Motion has some cons while the Reclaim basically catches its cons right here, as you can see. So let's take a look why one tool will win and why a particular tool is better than another. Now subscribe down below before we get started, and let's get started. So basically, as you can see, here are Motion versus Reclaim screenshot. Now this is Motion right here, as you can see. This is how the Motion workspace looks like. And then this is the Reclaim workspace. It looks a little bit better in terms of design, and a little bit better in terms of the user interface as well. Now, which one is better? As you can see, if you're exploring Motion and Reclaim, you're likely looking for an AI calendar that has a deep calendar sync, smart scheduling, and focus time blocking capabilities. Now, while Motion and Reclaim deliver on these capabilities, they're actually completely different tools with different focuses. So, as you can see, the main difference is that Motion was built to be your team project management software and AI calendar. So with Motion, you shouldn't need to be opening Google Calendar or using any top calendar software, because Motion is the top of that list as well. However, on the other hand, Reclaim was built to be more of a time management assistant, meaning it will work in the background to help your team find the best time slots to work together for internal meetings. So again, Reclaim is more so for scheduling meetings, for tracking the time, while the Motion is more for a team project management software and more so an AI calendar. So two different things in one. Now for project management, which is a clear winner? Obviously a clear winner is Motion. If you're looking for a proper task manager or project management tool, Reclaim is sure to let you down. The best thing you can do is try Motion for this. For a calendar tool, Motion is also great because it allows you to integrate your personal and work calendar. So as long as you're using Google Workspace, Gmail, or Outlook for each, Motion will do the job. Now, when it comes to calendar meeting scheduler, Motion is also, for individual and basic team usage, it's bread and butter. It's basically the best calendar and appointment scheduler. And yeah, you can basically use that for the appointment scheduling as well. And then obviously for team meeting optimization, Reclaim is the winner. However, obviously this will depend on your needs. The Motion is clearly a winner in this video, but Reclaim is still a good tool that you can use for a lot of different things. Comment down below which tool is the best for you. This was a comparison between Reclaim AI versus Motion, which one is better and why. And yeah, if you want more videos just like this, short and simple, you can visit our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.